Just before we start the video, guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description to a good friend of mine who made the intro. If you're a YouTuber and you need an intro, or if you need an outro, or you need a business logo, I highly suggest you go to him and see what he can do for you, because his work is really good, and I'm going to put in some clips of his videos and stuff so you can guys see. But anyways, let's go back to the video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install an ambient lighting kit for your car. The ambient lighting kit gives you a good atmosphere in your car, and a lot of my friends have been asking how you do it, so today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. Alright guys, when you order your kit you should get something like this. I got mine off eBay for like £20. So yeah, let me just show you what you get in the kit. So in the kit you'll get, this is a fiber optic, I'm not even sure what it's called, I'll just call it fiber optic. You'll get the actual thing that lights up, and the box. You scan this for the app, and then yeah, this will give you the RGB colors and from the app. You won't get these, but I already ordered them anyway. Fuse taps, I've got 2, but you won't need to. It's fine. Now with yours, it might not come like this. This is the power that goes into this. Yours will either come like this or with the cigarette lighter. If it's a cigarette lighter, you can just cut it and it will expose the 2 wires. Mine is like this, you can just plug it straight into the fuse, but I'm not sure how I'm going to run it yet, but I'll show you. You might get this, you might not, but they threw it in with the kit, so yeah, that's that. So yeah guys, that's the kit, and we'll move on to the car now. Just before we go to the car guys, I'm going to give you a quick update on what's coming on the channel. So here's the little corner of parts. So what we got here, we've got a ram air intake installation coming soon. We've got a 3.5 inch decat coming as well, and to top it all off, we've got a Cupra R style twin catback. Yep, so that's coming as well. I'm just waiting on the diffuser, then we can put these all on. So yeah guys, that's what's coming on the channel soon. Stay subscribed so you can see all the updates coming. But anyways, back to the car. Alright guys, now that we're in the car, we need to find where we're going to power this. So you have 2 options. You can either do it from a cigarette lighter, or you can do it from the fuse box on the side. The reason I'm not going to do it from the cigarette lighter is because my cigarette lighter is here, which is in an awkward position, so I'm going to do it from the fuse box. But if you have like a BMW, on which I done it with my friend's car, there's a cigarette lighter here which you can tap from, or how Hondas do it, where you have a cigarette lighter here, you can tap from there as well. So once you know where you want to do that, you also need to find where you want to place your transmitter. I'm going to place mine over here. I'm just going to do it inside here. No, it's not good lighting, but I'll show you later. So basically guys, the way this works is, once you have your power figured out, these are what lights it up, and what you have to do, you have to feed these through that and into your door cards. And once you feed it into your door cards, you need to drill a hole through so you can feed the fiber optics through, tuck it in to these little edges all the way, and that will give you your lighting. So let's start with this door and we'll see how we go from there. Alright guys, I've got my power sorted out. This is just a little tester if anything. So the red wire is going to this fuse here. Ignore the yellow one, that's for the fuse gauge, but yeah, don't overload your fuses, but this is just for testing. So you got the power there, and the ground is over here on this bolt. And yeah, let's just quickly test if that works. So I'll try to do this one-handed. Yeah, sorry guys, my car is really dirty. So let's twist the key, and then look, we got power. So now we know the power works. We just need to wire it through and everything, and yeah, let's get on with it. Alright guys, before we start on the door, I fed my power wire through down here. The transmitter, I'm planning to just 3M it up here so that I can use the Bluetooth app without any problems. And then yeah, we just need to feed these wires through here now, just one of them. And yeah, let's start on the door now. In case there's any Mark II Leons watching, you got the screws here, behind this. You got to take this off, and you've got to take that off. So yeah, let's get on with it. Alright guys, after a lot of fiddling around with this door card, managed to take off this much. I'm not going to take off the whole door card because I found a little workaround. I just got lucky because this part comes off. Usually when I tried it on other cars, this doesn't come off, so you have to drill a hole through here and then just feed it through like I have done here. So what I did was, so this is where I'm going to mount it. I've got a wire coming through here and through there, and that comes out here. I tried to get it through here, but you can't feed wires through here, so I'm just gonna have to do it like this for now. But yeah, I'm gonna cut some of the fiber optic and then put it on here and show you guys what it should look like. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, this is how I think I'm gonna run it. So put the light here, and I've poked the hole through down here. I think I'm just going to run it like this. So I'm going to bring it up here, around here, and down up to there. But yeah, let's see how that works out. Alright guys, so this is a semi-final product for this door. I'm just going to neaten that up a bit more, but yeah, this is what it's going to look like. Yeah, so I'm going to try to do the other doors, and yeah, we'll get back to it. So guys, this is the kind of finished product for this side of the door. So you've got it going from here to there. It's not the cleanest, but it will do. Also, I decided I'm not going to do the back two doors, so I've cut these off. I'm just going to do the front two doors only. Reason being is because it's too hard to get the wires through the back here, so I'm just going to leave that for now. Just do the same for that door, so I'm going to skip and just get on with it. Alright guys, so this side is done now. So as you can see, I've just done it the same way. Just need to tuck that one corner in, but yeah, that's done. So now let's just quickly test this. And look, obviously during the day it won't look as bright, but you can still see it. Yeah, again, just need to tuck this one corner in. Yeah, I just need to 3M this up here and electrical tape these two because I'm not using them. You're probably thinking, how do I control the lights? Well, you need to grab your smartphone and scan this QR code, and it'll take you to the app. So I'll show you that right now. Open up your smartphone. I'll show you this. There you go. Happy Light Life. I'll just download that. Yep, so you need to use it with Bluetooth. So yeah, there you go. It should connect automatically, but just to show you, look. So let's pick green. As you can see it should go green, blue, yellow, green, red. I'll show you on this side. So look, we've got blue, yellow, and then you got RGB. It's got other modes where you can do music, or you're recording, or you could do style, which is like this. So you can increase the speed, you could do pulsate in red, example green, blue. But yeah guys, that's gonna wrap up that video. I'm gonna show you how it looks at night. It's not the cleanest job, but it's just to give you an idea of how to do ambient lighting. So yeah guys, that's it. Like and subscribe, and next video it should be either my intake or exhaust, but you'll find out. Anyways, peace guys.